हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू एसटेस क्लासेस। आज हम प्लस टू के लिए सिलेबस आगे कर रहे हैं। इसमें प्लस टू में हम इंटीग्रल चैप्टर कर रहे हैं। इंटीग्रल चैप्टर में 7.5 एक्सरसाइज तक कंप्लीट हो गया। आज हम आगे इंटीग्रल बाय पार्ट्स। इंटीग्रल बाय पार्ट्स मीन्स इन द प्रोडक्ट टू फंक्शंस इन द product. Rational function we have done in the division two functions. Okay, px upon gx rational function integral done. Now product px into gx means let u into v, but here which is first according to question? What is in the question first given? That is not standard first behind the first second one logic is there. That logic you have to use. I have a e ilet means order के अकॉर्डिंग। ये इसका मीनिंग है इनवर्स ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन। इनवर्स ट्रिग्नोमेट्री। ओके बेटा, L means log function. Which function? Log function. A means algebraic. Okay. Algebraic function. T means trigonometric function. Trigonometric function, and E means exponential. Exponential. फंक्शन एक्सपोनेंशियल जैसे e पावर x, a पावर x एक्सपोनेंशियल फंक्शन। ओके, ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन, ट्रिग्नोमेट्री sin x cos x tan x। अलजेब्रिक फंक्शन a अलजेब्रा x स्क्वायर x क्यूब 3x स्क्वायर प्लस 5 3x क्यूब माइनस 8x प्लस 5 अलजेब्रिक पॉलिनोमियल अलजेब्रा। ओके, आफ्टर दैट ये log function you log x plus 1 log function, and I mean inverse trigonometry. So from these if any two here in the product, so then which order here according to I rate is first before one, that will be first, and after one will be second. Yani from left hand to right hand order will be first and second. Understand? Like this example, question number 1 we have to do. So what is question 1? Question 1 x sin x है, तो which will be first here? अलजेब्रा के अकॉर्डिंग, इसके अकॉर्डिंग आई रेट के अकॉर्डिंग अलजेब्रा x is algebra and sin is trigonometry. तो अलजेब्रा ट्रिग्नोमेट्री ऑटोमेटिकली इट इज करेक्ट। अलजेब्रा फर्स्ट है, ट्रिग्नोमेट्री बाद में है, तो फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड क्लियर हो गया। तो फर्स्ट इज अलजेब्रा and second is trigonometry according to I rate. Okay, now u into v first into second integral is equal to first as it is into integral of second with respect to x dx minus integral of whole bracket। देखो ध्यान से, integral of whole bracket close bracket, and inside the close bracket what is there? Derivative of the first function into derivative first into integral of second function and whole bracket and then dx and whole again integral of these both product, derivative of first and the integral of second, simplify and product that again integrate with respect to x. So this is, that's why here by part, integral by part u into v product में, then use this I get and make the first and second function according to this order I laid. These are your 5 types of functions in your syllabus. So I laid. Every function will be in these 5. Okay. So here algebra first here and trigonometry is forward part में है इसलिए first is A algebra and second trigonometry. Now integrate this question. Solution of this will be by using this formula. This will be u as it is, yani first as it is, and integral of second sin x. Integral of sin x. हाँ जी. Integral of sin x. Derivative of cos x is sin x minus sin x. So integral of sin x minus cos x. So minus cos x. Be careful. Okay. Clear? Antiderivative done. And minus this formula integral of whole bracket close bracket and derivative of the first. First is x. Derivative of x with respect to x1 into integral of second minus cos x into minus cos x. Okay, this and then whole bracket and then hold this dx. We can hold this. Okay, now simplify forward. Then minus multiply with plus minus x cos x as it is and minus out and minus this will come and plus integral of cos x dx. Okay, 1 into cos x, only cos x. So integral of cos x sin x. Okay, plus integral constant will be there in this formula. Plus integral constant. Now this will be minus x cos x simple and plus derivative integral of cos x. Derivative sin x cos x. So integral of cos x sin x. Antiderivative beta. Remember these all. Integral formula and plus integral constant c. This is your answer. Okay, beta. So use this integral by part. Understand this formula and remember this formula. Okay. Now and remember the eyelet to make the fixed first second. Always what is in the question that written in the first that will not be first. It may be changeable. You have to change the order according to eyelet. Okay. Now next question is question number 2. Find the integral of x into sin 3x. Then here also product, then algebra and trigonometry same thing. Algebra will be first and trigonometry is second. So then use formula. So derivative as it is. No, sorry, u as it is first as it is into integral of sin 3x. 3x is t, then 3 into dx is equal to dt. So dx is equal to dt by 3. So by 3. So 1 upon 3 and then derivative of sin t with respect to t. Integral of sin t. So derivative of cos x is minus sin x. So minus cos 3x. Direct I have done by substitution you can do. Okay, t is x. This will come and minus whole integral and derivative of x is 1 into integral of this minus and minus minus this will be plus because this is minus cos 3x. direct I have done. Okay, and then again integral. That now this is x minus x upon 3 cos x cos 3x minus minus plus, because ये minus cos 3x and minus cos में then plus कर दिया मैंने directly I have written then integral of 1 upon 3 out constant integral of cos 3x product and again integral this and plus integral constant c, then this will be equal minus x upon 3 cos 3x, okay, plus 1 upon 3 and cos x, integral of cos x, derivative sin x, cos x, so integral cos x, sin x, then sin 3x, integral, so sin 3x and divided by 3, derivative of 3x, remember, direct, plus constant, by substitution, you can do, then this is minus x cos 3x upon 3 plus 1 upon 6 is a 9 sin 3x plus constant. Okay, this is your 1 upon 3 common factor you can show, otherwise this is the simplest form. Next question. Hani beta, next question, question number 3. It is integrate x square into e power x dx. Now here also algebra and exponential. Algebra and exponential. ये पहले है e बाद में है. तो फर्स्ट algebra हो गया and exponential हो गया second. Now first as it is integral of e power x, because derivative also e power x is e power x, integral also will come minus integral of whole means capital large, okay, closed interval square bracket, and then derivative of first, so derivative of x is square, direct I have done 2x and into integral of e power x is e power x. Again this dx. Okay. Now this algebra and e power x again here by part, again this first, this second, then this as it is x square into e power x as it is and minus out of the whole, and whole will be again first as it is into integral of e power x with e power x, okay, and then minus whole integral of derivative of first 2x का derivative 2 into integral of e power x dx. Okay, this now all make it. Now simplify x square into e power x as it is, माइनस से ऑपरेट किया तो ये माइनस का प्लस हो जाएगा, ये टर्म माइनस हो जाएगी, -2x integral of e power x dx plus integral constant. Here also plus integral constant. Okay. Now only simplify x square into e power x minus 2x into e power x plus integral of e power x is e power x 2 into e power x plus constant. Now e power x is common factor everywhere. E power x common factor. We can write outside then x square. Simplify only minus 2x plus 2 and plus integral constant. Now this is your solution. So like this you can do. Okay. Similarly next question. Next question beta. Question number 4 of exercise 7.6. Integral by parts. Okay. Now x log x है यहाँ पर. So here order I hate algebra and log. log पहले है algebra पहले है. पहले log है I hate फिर algebra. तो log फर्स्ट हो गया. यहाँ देखो यहाँ ये फर्स्ट होगा और ये सेकंड. ओके. यहाँ देख लो हो गया ऑर्डर चेंज. जो पहले दे रखा वही फर्स्ट नहीं है. Okay, according to I8 always. So now first as it is formula. So log x as it is into integral of x, integral of second, x का integral x square by 2. Okay. Clear? Now minus formula integral of whole bracket then derivative of first derivative of log x. So derivative of log x we know what is the derivative of log x 1 upon x into integral of x second. The integral of x square by 2. And then whole bracket into dx. Okay, and plus constant. Now, after that, simplify. This is x square by 2 into log x minus 1 upon 2. X cancelling power. So 1 upon 2 out constant and integral of only x dx done plus integral constant. Now simplify only x square into log x by 2 minus derivative of x square by 2 and 2a then 4 done plus c. This we can take here common x square by 2 and simplify we can write. Otherwise this is answer. Okay. Like, share and subscribe the channel and take interest. And you can watch the last videos of last all chapters and CRT book and CRT solution by taking the link from the descriptions of this video. First you subscribe the channel and then you will get the last all lectures automatically with you. Okay. Share maximum to maximum contact video for that they will get the benefit. Every person will get the benefit who are not going the tuition, they are not having the economic condition, so they can watch, they can see, they can understand everything from the videos. Videos are important and they will get the knowledge if they will subscribe the channel first, you guide them and then they will get everything. Okay, thank you.